with the commission of the crime being investigated. So we are going to do that. We are going to put this thing in one box, and we will now follow it up.
Thank you, sir.
Hold on. I have somebody from the United States of America. Madam Rose. Oshun. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, go on with your question now. We can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
You can tell us your name and where you're calling from.
If you feel like I won't want to say my name. I won't want to say my name on the air, okay? But this is Oshu, okay?
Calling from where?
I hope you understand. I'm calling from the United States, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
All right, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Yomi, for all you do. Justice is Mohbad. God bless and frustrate everything that concerns you.
Can you guys hear?
My question, can they hear me?
Go ahead, go ahead.
We can hear you. Okay. I'm going to direct my question. I'm going to direct my question not to the attorney's case, if they don't mind.
Okay, go ahead.
On the 12th, when Mohbad's dad got to Mohbad's house, after he found his son under the staircase where they laid his dead body. He found his son under the staircase where they laid his dead body. He asked Darosha to call an ambulance. Darosha called the ambulance. They took the dead body with Baba Mohbad. When they got Baba asked for a report. They asked him to write a statement. He told them that he would dictate for them because he can compose himself to write. When the man was done doing that, at the end of the day, they denied to give him the report. They sent the now this is my question. This was the marriage that can you just let us know? Is it the Nigerian constitution that when somebody breaking the jurisdiction, it's okay for them to send the person with the dead body when they're supposed to detain them, question them, do an investigation, find out what happens to the person that died, what killed this person? They do not do that. So is it in the Nigerian constitution to send somebody away with a dead body? The decision needs to be investigated.
Okay. Let the barrister respond to that.
I think
Mr. Yomi.
okay. What's the motive mi gangan lele tó ti sọ̀rọ̀?
Ṣé DJ fún DJ?
Rárá, òun ló máa gbé clear. Mr. Yomi.
Okay. Are you okay now? Let's see.
Mr. Yomi. I'm joking.
Show me the question.
Oh no, that's your question.
And she got that little. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm just trying to have. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah. Introduce yourself and then ask your question.
This is Joker from TikTok. I want to direct my question to the legal representative sitting group. There was a video that will establish that Mohbad died on the 11th. There was an interview between one of those interviews, I don't know if you remember the name, but the guy that Mohbad did medicine after death with Zulu. He had an interview where he confirmed twice that Mohbad died on the 11th of September 2023. My question is there a way that the legal team can file a petition or lawsuit of conspiracy and abetting against the family concerning the actual date that Mohbad died? That is my question.
You get our question? Okay. Okay, thank you. They will respond to that. Just continue to monitor on TikTok. We have 2 questions, and don't let us overburden them. Let them answer that. Then we'll take. I think that will be all for now. Then let's answer the 2 questions. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mama Joker. Thank you. Okay, you want to answer the first one?
Okay.
Yes. I have the second one.
Well, you didn't get the first one.
Yes.
I think I did. Hello? So from Madam Osho, it was asked that the day Mohbad dad got to his residence, he saw the dead body of the young one under the staircase. That was the news everywhere. I think I read something like that. It happened. And it was reported that he took the dead body to the police station and that he was not attended to. I want to believe it did not happen. It never happened. Because it is the responsibility of the Nigerian police under the Police Act and all the statutes that empowers the police to investigate crime, even if frivolous. It must be investigated by air with dispatch, and they must come with the conclusion whether on a reported case that has criminality elements within it, let alone when invitation was made to the police, and dead body was there, a coroner case. I think police will dare not do that. But if it happened that way, said it, let us collate all this. Let us approach the relevant authorities, and I'm sure the case will turn around in a jiffy. I can assure you of that. If it really did happen, we will make sure this one. There is no way this one can be swept under the carpet. If actually it happened, I keep on saying that if it happened. That's for Mrs. Ojo.
Okay. To the second question. To the second question that this crime suspect who were named okay, that those people who have been nailed in the circumstances surrounding the death of Mohbad and they not prosecuted. We know that in the criminal justice administration in Nigeria, it is only the police that can prosecute. And where the police refuse to prosecute, we have 2 legal alternatives. One is to file a mandamus in court, compelling them to do that public duty of prosecution. 2, to obtain the fiat from the Attorney General to prosecute privately. In fact, that's what we have even intended to do in the case of.
I want you to repeat that. I love that one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It is to apply to the Attorney General to give us fiat to prosecute this the whole matter privately. Once that is given, we have the legal requisites to prosecute all these people who are surrounded in the circumstances surrounding the death of Mohbad. So, and these are very, very potent weapons that can be used to make sure that justice is achieved in this matter as an executive summary.
So it shows that we are not without recourse. That we are not, we just said it, that the office will compile all this. Once we can see that we have a good case to go with, police or any other prosecuting body will not deter us from going ahead. The options are not closed on the police alone. We will go ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we have Mr. Westo here. Mr. Westo.
The voice recording. Okay. Says the voice recording. Then we round up.
Let's hear from Mr. Westo.
Let's have oh yeah, play.
Please, don't be no wrong. This is the one lane for police. Check on the side door. I'm play anything. I'm so people. They just to be on low. We're not playing really fast because thank you, bye-bye.
Wọ́n ní ká ètò kúrò lórí ẹ̀kọ́ tó ṣe screen record kan tó bá máa lé.
Somebody
ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó tún síta.
made reference to the CCTV in the house. In the house that she lives in. She knows that there is CCTV because there was a video, correct me if I'm wrong, where Mohbad was in the kitchen and he was saying, I'm looking at you in the camera.
Yes, exactly.
Now somebody is now bringing to the notice of the public that there is CCTV operational in the house. Now this is the voice of Mohbad's wife telling some people that they should not give attention to that concerns around the CCTV. That it might favor Mohbad tomorrow. Maybe if the video comes out, the CCTV images come out, they will see how it was tied and everything. And she could not even hide it. Because she said they should not even talk about it because people are paying attention to those people where it is being said. And then the police, maybe they haven't seen this yet. Maybe they've not heard about it. I don't think the police they've seen this. Worry. I'm a feel that. Thank you. Let the legal counsel.
I
don't really mean that from my mind. I don't know if people have been hating on me. That is doing other things on me. I went mad because of this issue. Now you're trying to. Everybody you want to just 25. Well, I'm not going to be I beg if I die like this. Stop now. What's wrong with you? I beg, I never said it. Don't worry. They cannot do it. Oh yeah, my God never me up. Never. I'm in the other state. I'm in the state. Don't let anybody near you. Make anybody near me now.
Ọmọ yìí náà pariwo tó. Pariwo ọba ọ̀dà. Ikú lé pa, ikú lè ta pa.
I wanted to say this. When the wife was appealing to people there, that please don't let us give audience, don't let us give much attention. Don't let us attract so much attention to this. It may favor my husband. That means all those people involved, they were doing things against the innocent Mohbad.
Yes, she knows about it.
Should we think like that?
Yes.
Please don't let the convener. It may favor convener. That means you know you are with me. You are culprit too in everything I'm planning against. So please, we will collate all this. I can assure you.
Mohbad as the manager, and we are not saying his name or her name. Please help us to include the manager's name.
Everywhere will be touched. I can assure you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. I think we all agree that we should draw the curtain on today's press conference. We have an executive summary already, and as you all are aware, we have a lead to notify the governor as well as so what we're going to do is let's keep close tab. Let's be resolute. We're going to be following the piece of advice to write as quickly as possible to the governor as well as the president. Silence, please. Silence, please. Please. We'll write to the governor, we'll write to the president as advised. But of course, like I said earlier, we're not writing out the fact that if nothing comes up in the next 2 weeks, this is in 2 Wednesdays, we should be able to stand up together as a society. Nigerian students, the youth, lawyers, activists, everybody, let us come together. It is not in the place of the politicians and the government to tell us that we will not protest. If we will not protest, it is with the public who will see reason why we should not protest. Because we don't enjoy protesting. It is our sweat and our time that we want to sacrifice. So if we don't get anything in the next 2 weeks, then probably we should know that the police and the government are in war against the people. And then we will tell them the power belongs to the people. And don't back down on that except we see positive results before then. So let's keep it close tab and keep that to our hearts. To this end, I want to say thank you. We have already. Okay, voice note. You want to play voice note?
Yes, sir. September 2023 ni Mohbad kú ní ìmọ̀kọ́ tí mo sọ wọlé máa pàtó fún mi lóyún dídí ìfẹ́ fún ẹ̀lẹ́.
Kí ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Ó lọ bá wọ.
Okay, no, who is playing that thing?
Ní ìmọ̀kọ́ tí mo sọ wọlé máa pàtó fún mi lóyún.
And reduce volume here, number 1. Number 2, let us know when you are starting so everybody will be silent.
Yes, anybody knows sorrow.
Are you ready to start? Wait now, wait. Oh, are you ready to play?
Yes.
Everybody silent, start now and let's hear you.
Ọmọ púpọ̀ sẹ́ni tó bí ẹni rẹ̀ o, àwọn òbí òkè kò tí ìyá. Wípé bóyá àwọn òbí òun náà sọ pé lọ́wọ́. Mú mi, ṣókí tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bá wà nínú ìbàdí, ó ní lọ sọ́ọ̀tù mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọlá ìjẹ̀ tó mú ìgbà rẹ̀ àti ìbàdí, òun lọ́lọ́run abáni fi ṣe. Ó jẹ́ ká lù ìsọmọ yìí. Torí mi ìdí sọ pé wọ́n ló pa àwọn, mi ìsọ pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ aláyà àti aláyà òdòdó wọ́n bí. Àmọ́ tí fúdé ò apani kò dé wọ̀ apani. Ọ̀rọ̀ wà nínú ìtì ìfẹ́ sọ fún ọ̀rọ̀ dá sí àwọn owó. Àtàwọn olórí ìdúró tẹjọ kóra ìjọ tẹ kóra ìjọ tẹ ìjọ kọ́ bọ́. Ní ṣé o fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá bàbá mi sọ nípa ẹ̀ irọ́ ni? Ṣé o mọ̀ pé bàtà wá sí ẹ̀ nù wọ́n bí àwọn aṣèlè tí mo bí ìrọ̀wọ́ àti òbí báwo ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣe tó báyìí? Ó mọ̀ pé kò sẹ́ni tó bí ẹni rẹ̀ rò àwọn òbí òkè kò tí ìyá. Ìgbé bóyá àwọn òbí òun náà sọ pé lọ́wọ́. Mú mi ṣé kí tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bá wà nínú ìbàdí kò ní lọ sọ́ọ̀tù.
Now, the point is this legal counsel. If the police were telling us Mohbad was injected through a nurse, ẹjọ́ báwo ni wọ́n gúnyàn lábẹ́rẹ́ ṣe ní ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́gẹ̀? Báwo ni wọ́n gúnyàn lábẹ́rẹ́ di pé ọrùn sáré kọ́? Ó fẹ́ bóyá dáná lò.
11 September 2023.
Okay, let's hear the second one. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Oya go.
11 September 2023 ni Mohbad kú ní ìmọ̀kọ́ tí mo sọ ìwọ ló máa pàfẹ́ fún mi lẹ́yìn ìbò dídí mi pẹ̀ fún ẹlẹ̀.
And to back this up, in different interviews, Mama Mohbad confirmed not once, not twice, with different interviewers that Mohbad died on the 11th, on Monday. She's specific, not even dates. She keeps saying, ní ọjọ́ Monday tí ọmọ mi kú yẹn o, ní ọjọ́ Monday tí Mohbad kú yẹn o, more than 2-3 occasions.
And there is no way she would have mixed that Monday because she was meant to collect money on that Monday.
on that Monday, according to her interview, she said that she called Mohbad in the morning and he's not picking up, which is very unusual. Then she could not rest. After a while, she called Wumi, and Wumi picked, confirming that Mohbad was sleeping. Then she could not even rest after the conversation. In less than an hour, she still picked the phone and called back. So Wumi was asking, Mommy, so you're calling and calling. She said, no, I just want to speak with Mohbad. See Mohbad about TG, Maniko Kwe. Then after a while again, she still called back. And Mohbad and Wumi was screaming, Mohbad and all that. Confirming
on
that
Monday.
same Monday.
Now, let's ask ourselves, Nigerians, the people that Mohbad cared so much about, he even tattooed their names on his body. They now pick his body on Tuesday, and they were rushing it to Kuramed as if they were saving his life. Don't you think burying that kind of a young boy and assuming that kind of a person with those experiences, and then you want us as youth, we want future in this country, then we should accept that having seen the truth after assuming the body, because we have police that are not ready to stand by the truth and justice, then we should go and return the body back into this without the justice for the person. Why did we assume in the first place? This might bring something terrible to the society if we fail to act as people. Mohbad is your brother. He's a Nigerian. You are a Nigerian. Soldiers, they fight for Nigerians. Nigerian soldiers, they fight for Nigerians at war. Nigerian police, they protect Nigerians, not the privileged ones, not the government officials. Now it is time for them to stand by the Nigerian Constitution and stand by Nigeria. And we are giving them 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Trust me. Justice must be served. This is not making sense. This one is demarcating Nigeria. Foreigners are interested in justice for Mohbad. What are we going to tell our children in this kind of a case? If it is not a case that is known to the public, it's a different ballgame. This is already a public case. Why would they now say we'll trash it and we'll make the public irrelevant? They are targeting your essence of dignity. If you allow it, if you don't allow it, we will know in the next few weeks. But if you stand firm, you're saving your soul, you're saving the soul of your loved ones, and then we all will live and benefit from this country. To this end, I'd like to say thank you all for coming. Thank you all for being a parent, for being Nigerian, for being a law-abiding citizen. Thank you all for standing firm and volunteering. Justice for Mohbad is justice for all. And Luta continua. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, our legal team. Thank you, our MC. Thank you, all volunteers. Thank you, our friends. You know, Jarul Security. Thank you for giving us security. Our friends in the military, thank you. We appreciate you all. We have friends in the Nigerian Army, everybody. We thank you. All the TikTok platforms. I'm sorry if we couldn't pick your question. Trust me, we are still marching on. I want to believe this will be the last press conference before justice is served. But of course, we'll keep fighting on.